Hey, what's up, everybody, and happy Monday, May 1st. And wow, we had a crazy month last month with the leaderboard challenge at TTT.toby.com. You can see here the April leaderboard challenge had a total of 38 runners. 38 people were able to get in there and attempt to do the speed modeling challenge, create these 3 models in the fastest possible time. So today I'm excited to go through and look at some of the videos from people. And on that note, if you submitted to the leaderboard challenge, make sure that you go up here and you click on this link to the synthwave video. That'll take you to this video here. And you can see that down in the comments of this video, some people have already submitted a link to the video of their run. I need to get that video link. I need a recording of your run so that I can go in here to the leaderboard and I can confirm and verify your video. I can include a link here, verify the video so everybody can watch your run. So just make sure that you do that. I'll be sorting through those for the next couple of days. I'll be getting the new May challenge up and running. But I wanted to let you know that on Friday, I did a live stream where I went through and I showed the whole process of how I try to do a speed run and try to get my time down as low as possible. Very proud to say that I was able to put up a time of 5 minutes and 35 seconds. And here is a video of that final run. Ow! That was just, you know, I just needed that practice one time to get through. Now I think we're golden. Alrighty, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go here. This first one, this is our rectangle model, right? We know how to do these. We don't have to be nervous about this one. We know exactly what we're doing. We're gonna go rectangle here at 125 by 75 over 2. We're already in the rectangle command, so we don't need to exit it. We're gonna make that one 15 by 125 over 2. And we're gonna do a final rectangle here at 20 by 50. No problem. Revolve that. We'll pick our revolve axis here. This is just smooth as butter. Begin a new sketch. We're gonna create a sketch here with a diameter of 50. We're gonna create a diameter of 80. And we're going to remove that to a depth of 15 remove. All right, now we'll go to this plane. We'll create a sketch, which is going to be a circle with a diameter of 75. And we'll bring that out to a depth of 160. And then we will select this face here and casually create a 50 millimeter diameter circle, which will get removed up to vertex. And we'll pick this vertex here, and we're not sweating this at all. And now we're going to do a remove here. So remove using that face, that's gonna go through all. We don't have anything to be nervous about because we're doing so good with this thing. We're gonna do a mirror, and we're gonna say this is what we're mirroring, and this is the plane we're mirroring it about. We're gonna assign a material. That material is going to be the TTT material of ABS. And we're going to take a mass properties of this thing and come up with 1212, which is the correct answer. So click here to finish model 1, and we are ready to move on to model 2. Not rename, no. We're going to close that, and we're going to create a new document here for model number 2. And model number 2 is the one that we are the most comfortable with because we spent all that time coming up with that wonderful strategy of a 60 by 36 millimeter rectangle, a 60 millimeter circle here, which is at a max height of 50. We created our tombstone here. Shout out to Justin for that wonderful idea of including the tombstone in the first sketch and doing a power trim, which I love power trim. So anytime somebody suggests that we do a power trim, I am on board with that suggestion. I'm going to take this point and this point, make those coincident, and then we are going to do said power trim through here, S key, extrude, tab, 100, tab, symmetric, and enter. We're going to select this face, begin a sketch, orient our view, and we're going to create a circle, diameter 40, and a circle, diameter 16. Let's create a dimension from the base to the top of that circle of 100, and then let's create a line that comes up to the point of tangency, comes across, comes down. Oh yeah, that looks wonderful. Let's turn that into some solid geometry here. So we'll make that 10 and reverse direction, and it's going to be this section as well. That looks great. Let's show that sketch so that we can use it for another extrude here. It's going to be this and this out to a depth of 5. And now we are ready to mirror that whole thing about this plane, assign a material, plain carbon steel from the Too Tall Toby library and calculate the mass. It's just that easy. 1891. Boom. Close that. Let's start a new document. This one's going to be called 333. And this one, we're going to go into the workspace units and change this to inches and change this to pounds. And we're going to go top plane, begin a sketch. We're going to orient our view. We're going to do line, come back, touch the endpoint, arc. Line, come back, touch the endpoint, arc. We'll make those tangent. We'll make this coincident. We'll make this horizontal. We'll do another circle here with a diameter of 0.5. We will add some dimensions here. Radius 1.25, radius 0.5, and distance between these two of 2 inches. We're going to take that all and extrude it to 1.8. And let's reverse the direction of that extrusion. Show that sketch so it's ready when I get to my hole command. Front plane, begin a sketch, orient the view. And this is going to be at 1.75 by 1.3. And we're going to say that that's going to be at a distance of 0.25. We'll take this point and this point and make those vertical. And we will add in our fillet here and here at 0.1. And now we're ready to take that geometry and remove it through all and symmetric. And now we can finish up by going into our hole command, picking this point here for the hole. We're going to say this has a material of 1060 alloy. And the mass of this part is 0.686. Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! We did it! All right. Yes, 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 yes. Man, that is what is up. That's how you do it, baby. That's how you do a speed run.